Soft Glam Makeup is a fan favorite, and for great reason. It is a beautiful look. It can be used for any occasion at any time. And in today's video, I wanted to make a really cute tutorial using the Soft Glam 2 palette. I don't own the original Soft Glam, but when I saw this Soft Glam 2, I thought it was so cute. I couldn't resist, so I ended up buying it, and this is the look I created with it. So if you guys are interested on how I did that, just keep on watching. So that is it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check the description box below. I listed every makeup product I used today for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!